Hi, today in front of me iPhone 14 Pro Max, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Siri option on this device. So first let's open the settings app and then scroll down to Siri and search. Just to activate Hey Siri option, we should click here once on the switcher, click Enable Siri, and now just to set up Hey Siri feature, we should tap to continue and say Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. Okay, Hey Siri, play some music. Now this option is ready, so when we'll say Hey Siri, we can see that this option successfully activated. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.